Hello and welcome friends. In this video I am going to open some crystals. I have just completed the master events of X communication, sorry, love is a battle realm 3. So let's see the crystal openings. I have premiums crystals and also a grandmaster shattered crystal, also a 3-star crystal and some unique. So I will talk about some latest 5-star beyond god tier crystal opening and some 4-star beyond god tier crystal opening. You can guess that I am lucky, so you can guess that what champion I could get. So let's open the first premium. So what we get? Oh, 3-star champion. That is good, that is good. We are in the CEU page. That's good. Now let's open some next crystals. So I am going to open 3 premiums that I get from completing a heroic or event, sorry, some objectives. Oh my god, 2 3 stars. My awakened Ronin is a good champion. I use him, not maxed out him as a 3-star, but use him just for fun, because new champions have new animations, and new animations means new things for debuffs, buffs, and some crazy things. So let's open this Colossus. Now it is buff. Colossus is now a god tier champion. It is very good champion to play. Colossus is very likely to play, and he is very awesome champion. Now let's get what we get from this. I think a 4-star champion is good, but if we get a normal, so that I didn't want any 4 or 3-star, because I did not now spend resources on 4-star champions, because I am also an end game player, I have to complete act 6 chapter 2, so I am collecting resources for it. So I would not uploading videos from some days, sorry for this. Now let's open legendary shattered heart crystal. Now first let's complete grandmaster shattered heart crystal. So let's see what we can get from this. I think they have to place a slow cavalier crystal that would cost 6,000. I think in the Rich the Man video he said that it is coming, but I am not sure, or I see something. Oh, what we get? Did we get a name, or oh no? There is second time I get clauses. So good. I think there is a mutually agreement between me and clauses. So that is good. I am also forming close to form a 4-star. 4-star is good for shards or isolate. So now let's grandmaster. I think I could get a 4-star champion from this, but now to see which 4-star champion I can get. So let's open this. So what can I get? Let's see what we getting. Oh yeah, Thor between Scarlet Witch and Emma Storm. That is good. Getting 5-star shards. So it is very good. I have a 5-star Dark Oak I open. So I think it is not good. I also have a 5-star Sentinel. I did not wasting resources on tech champions. I have more tech champions. Now I am showing you some crystals openings. So you can see that yesterday I have opened 5-star crystal and I get 5-star domino from that crystal. You not believe that I get the domino from not 5-star crystal, sorry, not 5-star crystals. I get it from Grandmaster shattered heart crystal. 5-star domino. You can see a screenshot of this domino. I just craziness is just on beyond. Yesterday my CEO luck is 1 lakh percentage domino, and I also awakened him, put him a sig level. I used mutant, so awakening gem on domino to awaken him. And you can see some also champions that I get a 4-star domino also, and I also get a 4-star thing that is awakened, so that is good. So I am uploading a rank up video of domino, so stay tuned with us. Thank you.